Here's how you create your first video in Mont. From the dashboard, we click Create Project, and for now we choose Start from Scratch. We land in the editor. Right now it's empty, and on the right you can see the Slides panel. In the center, it's the scene, and then below it you see the timeline. Right now it's empty. We can add the slide on the timeline. In Mont, slides can be used as video clips. Let's create a new slide and add right after the first one. This way we can play around with the flow of the presentation and make sure that it feels nice. Once we are ready, we can record the voiceover and camera. To do it, press Record, and then here we're going to be recording only the camera. So we'll disable the slides screen source, and you can see on the scene, we now see the recorded label over the existing slides that are already on the timeline. Let's put the playhead to the beginning, press Record, and then stop. Back to edit mode. Here we can adjust the spans a little bit, and we can preview the recording. If you want, you can adjust the content of the slides by double-clicking them. It will make us transition to slides mode. And then here, you can edit the text. Let's say great. Go back to edit mode. And then here the slide is updated. We can also update the slide size, position. Let's try centering it. And we can also make it a little bit more rounded. It will look nicer. Let's move the camera. And I'm ready to download the video. To do it, press the download button and then press export. Save. And the video is complete. And now you have your first video made in Mont.